Hey everyone, Andrew here from Private Investigator Advice, and I've got a good video here for you today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a timestamp using the Canon camera, the Canon HF R600, which this should work for the 700 and the 800 version as well, because the tip came from somebody who has the Canon HF R800. But anyways, so I'm going to show you how to do that, how to add a timestamp. And then I'm going to show you, or I'm going to tell you why you shouldn't use this tip after all, even though I'm going to show you how to do it. Alrighty, so let's get into the demonstration. By the way, this tip came from a Terrence. I'm going to just give his last name, well, the initial W. Terrence wanted me also to let you guys know that he is the greatest private investigator in Texas, and so I'm giving that shout out to him since he gave me this tip. Alright, so let's get into the demonstration, and then I will tell you why not to use this tip. Alright. Okay everyone, I'm going to show you how to add a timestamp to your Canon camera. I have the Vixia HF R600. It's my understanding that this is going to work with the HF R700 and R800. I can't really vouch for any other cameras, but you could definitely try to see if it works with any other Canon camera. So, okay. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to turn on the camera, and I'm going to go ahead and zoom in here a little bit here so you can kind of see what I'm doing here. And once you zoom in, you're going to go ahead and press this button down here. And then once you hit this menu, you're going to hit this clock here. Oh, let me get in the zoom here. And then you're going to do two things. You're going to press the date, and you can see how it kind of comes there, and then the time. And you're going to press OK. Now, funny thing is about this is, so now it doesn't, you have to move these around to set these every time you do your timestamp. So then from there, I'm going to go ahead and record. Right? So there's the timestamp. And then I'm done recording. I'm going to go ahead and back out of here. Go ahead and play. Record. And now you can see, well, this wouldn't be in there, but this would when you play it back on your video. So what I'll do is I'll switch into the video mode so you can see what that's going to look like. And record. Right? So there's the timestamp. And then I'm done recording. Okay guys, I hope you found that video or that portion of the video useful. So here's the reason why I don't think you should use this tip unless you absolutely have to when you're in the field. So Terrence originally reached out to me because this is how he was putting the timestamp in every video. You know, every time he videotaped, he had to go through this process to add the timestamp. So it was adding 7 seconds or so to add the timestamp and then start videotaping. And meantime, in that 7 seconds, you're missing a lot of activity. And I know you don't think it is, but when there's just moments of activity and you miss it all because you're trying to add a timestamp manually, like I just showed you, that's not going to do well for you, and your client's not going to be very happy if they realize how much video you're missing. So even though you know this tip now, I would definitely recommend going to my resource page at piadvice.net, and there will be a link to the process that, well, at least the program that I use to burn a timestamp into my videos. And so it's called DVMP Pro. I've talked about it before, but that's what I would recommend. But I just wanted to share this tip with you because it is a cool tip just in case you have to do it. So, all right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys on the next one.